Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So today this is going to be a little different type of video, y'all. It's not a wig video. I don't know if y'all know, but like mystery boxes has been a thing online where it's like surfacing all over the place. Like I think Amazon sells mystery boxes, some brands like sell mystery boxes, eBay sells mystery boxes. So I bought my mystery box from eBay. And basically, if you don't know what a mystery box is, you're basically purchasing a box of products and you have no idea what's in it. So yeah, I bought a beauty like makeup, it's supposed to be high-end products, all full size and stuff like that. So I went ahead on eBay and I looked at the reviews for this particular seller that I was interested in, and I felt like it was okay, because you know, you don't want to put your money into something and then come back with some knockoff shit, because I'm not for all of that, y'all. So hopefully these products is what they say they are. Of course, I don't know what's in the box. I've been like itching, y'all, to get in this box. I did open it or whatever and I looked at one thing, but then I hurried up and shut it up like, oh no, I gotta record this. So this is what we're doing now. I'm super excited, y'all. Alright, so how it works out, basically, like this particular seller that I went with, she has multiple mystery boxes that ranges from like $50 all the way to I think $200, and basically you're just getting double that price of, if that makes sense. You're getting double the amount of products for that price. But let me show you this big old box that I got. So this is the box. So I did purchase two mystery boxes for $89.99, and yeah, the total products that should be in here is like, it should equal up to like 4 something, if that makes any sense, y'all. So okay, so when I open the box, it looks like this, and she just left a little note. And alright, y'all, tell me why I'm so freaking mad, because the whole time I'm unboxing everything, I wasn't freaking recording. So I really don't know where I left off, but basically I feel like I left off right here where I was reading a note, and she just left a note and it says, this is your item list with your retail value. Don't read this first or you'll ruin your surprise. So it looks like a hefty list, you guys, so I'm not going to read that. But like I said, I already opened this, I already opened up this package, and then I saw like one of the first products, the first thing you see. Like I said, I'm recording this over, but this is how it was when I opened it. So the first thing I saw was this palette by Too Faced, and off the bat I already knew what it was because I was looking into purchasing it anyway. So yeah, I did take a peek at this because I was just too excited, but then I was like, oh, this probably really won't be juicy, so let me just, you know, save the rest for you guys. But anyway, this is what it looks like. This is by Too Faced, and it's the Natural Lust palette. I'm not really sure if this is new. I think it is, but it's so freaking pretty, and if you're into like natural colors, you'll definitely love this palette. So that is what it looks like. I'm not going to do like no swatches or nothing like that. I hope y'all don't want to see no swatches, because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. That's the first item that I got. The second item that I got, and I'm just going to go through this quickly because like I said, I was showing y'all this and I wasn't recording. The second item is from I think that's how you pronounce it. I've heard of this brand, but I never really was interested in buying anything from this brand. I don't know why. But the palette is called Festival. It looks like this. And everything really looks legit. Like it still has the plastic on it and everything, but this is so freaking pretty. This actually reminds me of a palette that I already have from BH Cosmetics. That's like one of my favorite palettes, and I think it's called Festival as well. But it kind of just like reminds me of it so much, except for these have glitter shadows, which I'm like really into. So I can't wait to like try this out, y'all. Next eyeshadow palette I received is from Juvia's Place, and if you are not familiar with Juvia's Place, basically it's like they have bomb eyeshadow palettes for the low. So if you're looking for like some really high quality but affordable shadow palettes, definitely check out Juvia's Place. I know that they sell Juvia's Place in Ulta, and they also have an online store as well. So the crazy part about this is I collect these palettes, and this is the only one that I don't have. So the fact that I have this one now, that's what's up. But it's the Warrior by Juvia's. So this is what it looks like. Oh shit, that's the plastic that fell off. But of course it did come with the plastic. Nothing looks used or like phony. So, well, I'm not gonna say like phony. It doesn't look phony. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The only reason I didn't purchase this is because I feel like I have like a lot of neutral eyeshadow palettes, so I kind of like stayed away from this one. But it's cool. I still, you know, I still like my neutral palettes or whatever. There's one more palette in here, and this is by Morphe, and it's the 35M Boss Mood palette. So this is what it looks like. I'm excited, y'all, because all of these palettes, like, I don't have, and I have a lot of makeup palettes, and the fact that I have none that I, ooh, y'all, look at this. This is nice. OMG, I'm excited. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to leave the seller in my description box just in case any of you guys are interested. So already I have 4 palettes, you guys. So these are the 4 palettes that I have. Alright, so the next thing that's in this box is this like makeup bag, and it does feel like it's products in here. So let's see what we got, y'all. And this makeup bag is really nice for traveling. It's like a rose gold glittery type color, which I really like. So alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm scared, y'all. Okay, so when I opened it up, it just smells like, I don't know, kind of smells like somebody's house. But it doesn't stink or whatever, but I just like to sniff my stuff. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it's a lot of goodies in here. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing, okay, these are my bonus items. Okay, so we're gonna put that to the side. So the first thing I see is this Bronze Peach palette by Too Faced, and I don't have this, so this is like really exciting. It's like a bronzer. It looks like this. Ooh. And it feels like really creamy. And it smells just like peaches, but this is what it looks like. This is really cute, y'all. This is really cute. Okay, so the next thing I got are MAC wipes, makeup wipes, like makeup towelettes, removers, whatever. So I got that as well. Next I have Highlight Opals. It's by Lime Crime. So this is pretty cute. So let's see how you open it. This is what it looks like. Can y'all see that? It's like holographic, so I don't know. It's so freaking pretty. Okay, these are a little bit light, so I don't know how that's gonna work on me, and this camera is really washing it out, but it is really light. So let's see. Oh, actually they not like, they actually are showing up really good on my skin. I don't know if y'all can see that. But okay, I'm going to have to try that out. So this is a nice one. Okay. Come through mystery box. Everything is like really nicely wrapped and everything. So the next one I have is the banana. This is banana cream. I don't really know if this like was supposed to come in a box, or does it just come like this? I don't know. It smells really, really good. What is it though? Oh, it's setting powder. So it's banana cream setting powder by Too Faced, and it's really, really pretty. I feel like my camera is like washing it out, but it has like bananas all on it. I'm mad that y'all can't see this. Ugh. And it smells like bananas. I'm gonna set my under eye with that and see what it's about. But yeah, moving on to the next product. So right here I have Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I actually really love this mascara. So yeah, that's good. I'm not gonna take it out or nothing like that because I just don't feel like it. The next product is this lip metal by Milk Cosmetics, and I've heard of Milk, but I always wanted to try it, like try their products, but never got around to trying it. So this would be really cool. I don't really know if I'm gonna wear this though because it's like a metal lip. I don't know. And then the last thing is like some products in this bag. So let's see what we got. So I have the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Eyeliner, which is really nice. I also have a NARS Velvet Matte Pencil. It's in the color Endangered Red, which looks like this, which is really pretty. Looks like that. Next I have, what is this? Kat Von D. I don't like Kat Von D, so I don't know. I don't really like her like that. But it's her perfume, and I'm not really liking the way it smells. My battery going dead. So I might just give that away. All the stuff I don't want, I'm just gonna give away. Then also I have a eyeliner in blue. It looks like that. I also have a Melt Cosmetic matte lipstick. It's called On The Go, and it's just like this brownish nude color, which is really pretty. I really like that. And then I also have, this is a Kat Von D lipstick. I already know because I have a few of these, and it's in the color Center, which is like a deep purple color, which is really pretty. So basically that's all that came in this little package. And then I have bonus items, which, what are they? So I have an Urban Decay eyeliner. Is this eyeliner? Okay, so it's like a sample Urban Decay eyeliner. And then I have travel sides of the MAC Prep and Prime, which I do use this stuff, so that's good too. So that's basically it for this video. Let me just go ahead and read off the list real quick. So it just lists how much everything is. So like the little this palette was $59, which I know because I was about to purchase it. Then the Morphe palette was $24. The Juvia's Place palette was $20. The Festival palette was $36. The Urban Decay liquid liner. It just lists all the items in there, like what the retail price is, and everything everything basically equals up to $452. I paid for 2 mystery boxes, and I guess she just put all the products in one box. So 89 plus 89, what is that, 178? Ooh, I'm bad with math, y'all, so I don't know, but yeah. So tell me what you think about this video. Do you like this video? Would you like to see more videos like this? Let me know, because this was real fun. I'm excited. I got some makeup products for the low y'all. So yeah, like I said, all the links to like where I purchased this from the eBay seller and everything will be listed in my description box. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.